Did you know some species of starfish can completely regrow a lost arm? And in some cases, even an entirely new body? Where most living things would see loss as an ending, the starfish sees it as a beginning. If there was such a thing as insider trading for mental skills, you just found a spot. Did you know nearly 50% of your mental skills form before the age of 18? Yet most people wait until pressure hits to build them. This podcast challenges that. In 2025, we no longer differentiate ourselves by having access to info, but by creating clarity of all the info we have access to. If you find value in this episode, please rate it, review it, and share it with someone who's navigating a tough setback. Now, on to the cast. Picture this. You're walking barefoot along the edge of the ocean. The tide is pulling in soft foam around your ankles, and you spot something lying just where the water kisses the sand. A starfish. At first glance, it looks broken. One of its arms is missing, jagged at the edge. But here's the thing about starfish. They're not designed to break and stay broken. They're designed to heal. Slowly, quietly, day after day. Their cells begin to rebuild what was lost. No panic, no rush, no self-pity. Just patient, persistent renewal. And maybe, in some way, that's you right now. Maybe you've lost something, an opportunity, a dream, a relationship, maybe even your physical health after an injury. You feel incomplete. You feel like you're limping through life with a piece of you missing. But what if, like the starfish, you were designed to heal too? Not to erase the scar, not to pretend it didn't happen, but to rebuild yourself with strength you never knew you had. Because healing isn't about going back to who you were before. It's about becoming someone new, someone stronger, wiser, and more aware. Let's talk about Ashlyn, a college track star. Senior year, she tears her Achilles in a meet. Gone, just like that. Her last season, her pro dreams, over. At first, Ashlyn spiraled. Frustration, grief. Why did this happen? Why now? But eventually, after a lot of hard days, she realized something. She could either sit in the sand and mourn the missing piece, or she could start rebuilding. It wasn't fast, it wasn't easy. But Ashlyn started studying sports psychology during rehab. She became fascinated with how the mind recovers and not just the body. Today, she's a performance coach, helping hundreds of other athletes not just come back, but come back better. Just like the starfish, the loss didn't end her, it reshaped her. Here's what the starfish teaches us. Setbacks are not permanent unless you let them be. Healing takes time, and that time shouldn't be wasted. You are still growing, even when you can't see it yet. Maybe you're rebuilding right now. Maybe you're in the messy middle. Maybe you feel like part of you is missing. Remember, nature didn't design you to stay broken. It designed you to heal, if you choose to embrace the change. So the next time you think about quitting, or you tell yourself you're too broken, you're too late, you're too far gone, think about the starfish. It doesn't rush, it doesn't panic, it just gets to work, quietly, relentlessly, until one day, what was lost becomes what made it stronger. If this episode landed with you, do me a favor, rate it, review it, and share it. Nature leaves so many crumbs of success. Find as many as you can and make them your own.